heading out to Granby Ranch to go skiing. Allie's never been before.
Nope.
So
I grew up water skiing. Loved that. That's what we did. We were always on the lake. But I've always wanted to ski. So I'm so excited. My prediction is that I'm going to be better than Kyle.
we just got our skis. We rented them for this place. It's been like 15 years since I've skied. So I show up in jeans and realize that I am looking like a total noob at skiing and felt totally self-conscious. But yeah, we ended up getting our skis and getting fitted, and I forgot how to put the boot on. And then whenever I got back to the truck with the skis in the back, I realized that I forgot my ski pants at home and I'm wearing jeans, cotton jeans. So luckily we hadn't left the place yet, so I just went back in and rented some ski pants for like 30 bucks for the day. So that was a very, very close call.
Flip it up.
Yeah. Pick up lift tickets.
Okay, come this way.
Okay. The counter
Yeah, we go
over.
to the counter and they can do everything they want.
Are you?
We don't have a line inside if you want to come in.
Perfect. Thank you very much. Thank you, man. Have a good day. Look at this. Look what she's doing. Yeah.
Okay. I hate you.
What do you think? You nervous?
No.
No? You know what to do?
No.
You gonna figure it out?
Yeah, I guess I have to. Oh. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Keep moving, keep moving. Full stop in one. That's so scary.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
Well, we went really, really far. Hey, they don't have bars.
Bars? I'm scared.
It's okay. Pizza, pizza, pizza. There you go. Hey, you did it.
That was scary. I want to, I'm scared.
Come on. There you go. Kind of keep your legs. There you go. Keep them wide. There you go. And stop. All right. Now I want you to stop yourself. I always just pick one foot. There you go. You're doing good. You're natural. Just don't cry. You can get up on your side by doing this and using your poles. There you go. There's a way you can cross your skis and do it, but
Well, it's interesting.
you can do it. Push yourself up and kind of walk your skis up. There you go. All right, it's okay. See how that popped out? That's fine. Go ahead and, if you have to, take your skis off. All right. Keep your foot steady, and then you're gonna pop back in.
Okay.
There you go. Kind of pivot on your left foot.
Right.
This is us.
Okay, so I just did my first run. I didn't die. It was scary. But I feel good now. I can do black diamonds.
Yeah, I feel pretty good about all this. I don't think I lost it at all.
No, you're doing so good. You gotta go like,
Yeah.
just like that.
It's so beautiful out here though. So this is Grandeur Ranch.
Oh, pretty.
And there's a lot of bunny slopes. That's what we called them back in the East,
Yeah.
bunny slopes.
Which I'm so glad for, because
Well, I think this whole right side of the mountain is dedicated to beginners. I am deathly afraid of heights, and this thing has no bar to go down over it, so it makes me very, very, very uncomfortable.
I like it.
There you go. Good job. Eye to the right. Crisscross. Don't crisscross. You're doing so good. I'll try to go faster. So what do you think so far?
Super fun. Not really scary.
How scared were you on a scale of 1 to 10?
The first run, probably like 7.5. Now maybe like a 4.
A 4?
3.5. A little bit.
I've only been down 3 times.
Yeah.
So probably my biggest observation has been my boots hurt. I don't hear anybody else complaining about it, so I don't know if it's just a normal thing or we're doing it wrong. So y'all can tell us in the comments.
Yes, please tell us all the expert advice on boots. I loosened mine and it helped. Do you know, I think it's hilarious that
What?
how every single person walks.
It's like a toddler. They walk like toddlers.
No, it's kind of like everyone's constipated. I like it. It's kind of like a different universe. Hi, baby.
Hey, baby.
I love you.
I love you. Oh, God.
We're on the big one. Kyle hates heights. This is so fun. It goes a lot faster. Can we lift this up?
Not yet. Ready? Well, I took a dive. That was funny. Right here. Well, that was my first wipeout. Hopefully it's my last wipeout. I think he sped it up. Probably know I wore jeans this morning. Oh, watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it. Ooh. You okay? That's why we wear helmets.
I'm good.
Take a breather. This ski area boundary is not patrolled. Huh? You okay? I know. You did good stopping yourself. All right, this is gonna be the test of getting up. You're doing good, babe. There you go. Just brace yourself, take a breather. Go ahead and put your skis like this.
Okay, good. Woohoo. Okay, let's do it.
Easy. You're doing good. There you go. There you go. You did good. If you had to fall, that's a good way to fall. Easy, easy, easy. Okay, okay. on. There you go. There you go. Perfect. Bring it back up to you.
That's it. I'm walking home.
There you go. There you go. Good job. Good job, baby. You wanna go down to the bottom?
Onward, Seth.
Legitimately, I am so proud of Allie. She did so good. She had such a good attitude this entire time. Like, falling in the snow is hard. Like, I did it once and I got pissed. And she just has such a unique, beautiful spirit that's always positive, and I really just love that about her. And it really pushes me to be more like Jesus. Like, every time that I see that, every time that I fall and I mess up, or you know, whatever, it's not about messing up, I don't even care about that. It's just like, I don't like falling, or you know, not doing it right. But every time I see her and I see her do it, it encourages me so much to be better. And because it's like Jesus, she's just going out, being fully alive and living heart open. Like, that mountain was a little bit scary if that was your first time going down it. And she did such an amazing, beautiful job. And I'm just so proud of her. And yeah, she's my rock. She encourages me a lot.
We made it. Changed. I've never been so happy to put my own shoes back on. Right, babe? Today was a lot. It was glorious. It was like so many emotions for me. Like, this is my first time skiing, like I said. But I think, this is gonna sound dramatic, but I think I found like a deeper part of myself today. I don't really do things that like terrify me. And I don't know, like something happened when I hit that tree.
Oh, watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it. Oh.
That like it really brought me to this like deep place in myself. And if I hadn't been like wearing goggles and like knew I still had like half the mountain to get down, I probably would have just like wept. And like I don't get to those places very much. I think there's something about like the struggle of like pushing yourself to like deeper limits that enables you to meet these like deeper parts of yourself. And I kind of still feel emotional. Like, I feel like it was such a great day. We had so many great laughs, and like it was cold and we were outside, and it was a beautiful winter day. I just feel like I experienced probably like both pendulums of the human experience today. I just feel so overwhelmed.
I'm really proud of you.
Kyle's a really good encourager. He's really good. I'm proud of him. So we went up Bighorn. It was the trail. It was designated beginner, which I think probably it was, but I probably went like a little too soon. I didn't die, so that's good. And we got up there and like you could see the whole mountain range. And it was so amazing, and the sky was so blue. And it was just so beautiful being up there. And then it was so fun, like going down, and then like so terrifying. And I think that this is what it means to be alive, is to know. It sounds so stupid. Is to know that like we're like so capable of all these things, like as human beings, and like these reflections of God. Our limits are literally limitless if we just are unafraid of the challenge, of unafraid of the walk, unafraid of the unknown. You can do anything, you know? And it's totally not even about skiing. Like,
no, I get that too, and I've always wanted to bring my significant other skiing and teach him how to ski, even though I'm probably not a very good teacher.
You're great.
But, well, I mean, you know, whatever. I am terrified of those lifts. Man, I hate those lifts. God,
Okay.
I hate those lifts. I like heights. I don't stand on a 4-foot ladder, and I'm not okay with it. I will, but I'm not okay with it. It was a really good day.
Yay.
I think that we just want to inspire people. like by going out and filming us doing things that are hard and that are fun, that are adventurous, that are outside of the box. Because, you know, again, like Jesus died and rose. So that that's an inside joke. You'll get it. But on a serious note, Jesus died and he rose so that we could live and live life to the fullest.
Live
And so much of the
abundantly.
church- And I'm not trying to come against the church at all. I'm just like, yes, he died for our sins so that we could be with him, but like this is part of being with him. It's like the whole day, and that's one of the things we're trying to do is just like sit through our daily lives and just go, okay, God, like I'm doing paperwork right now, and you're here with me, and you care, and like he probably had so much fun like watching us ski, because it's one of the things I did. I was loving watching the kids ski.
I know, it was so
Just-
precious, and seeing like all the
Yeah.
moms and dads teaching their kids, and
That's why we're doing this. Is just that's what Heart Open is. That's what it is. It's seeing the world through his eyes, because we're supposed to be like him, because we were made like him. It was a good day.
It was a great day.